Hi, my name is Cristian Andres Lopez Vargas. I am professional in political science, graduated from the National Open and Distance University with a specialized training that support my role as a guide and including certification in fair HCPR, basic culinary skill, effective communication, and risk management of for tourism. I have successfully led thoughtful large group focusing of safety, client satisfaction, and, and offering educational and entertaining experience. I have skill in group leadership, crisis management, and resource coordination, always ensuring a friendly and professional environment. I am excited to join British tour and travels to connect people with new cultures and bringing my experience, skill, and passion for customer service to create unforgettable uh, journeys. Yes. Uh, Thank you for considering my postulation application.